DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Country people, una well done. Una welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as it dey happen and as it dey hot.
DJ ATV.
Having been a living witness to your professional business and pastoral and political policies, which you distinguish yourself excellently well, have no doubt about your ability to excel when voted in as the next governor of the state. We have also taken time over the years to review your programs of action, the Simple Agenda, which is a masterpiece that seeks to provide perfect solutions to the myriad of problems besieging our dear state, ranging from infrastructure, social welfare, manpower development, social empowerment, employment creation, and to security. We are convinced about the mantra of Simple Agenda, which is the agenda of hope for Edo people and the way forward to move our dear state to the next level, which is the Eldorado of Edos. On behalf of ECOVA Class of 87, the new mother branch worldwide, we this day, Tuesday, the 18th of August, hereby wholeheartedly endorse your governorship aspiration for the September 19th Edo State gubernatorial election. We have no doubt that you will never and can never fail Edo people as our governor, because we know that you will deliver on all your promises. We pray that the good Lord will continue to order your step now and always. Congratulations in advance.
Well, the college class of 87, the college class of 87, can I declare my it's live? Thank you. Thank you. The college class of 87, one of the most dynamic of the classes. I would like to sincerely thank you for this solidarity visit. I'm overwhelmed with what you have said. And, no one can know you more than those who went through your school. Yes, we might not have been classmates, but we went through the same institution. And our institution has a proud history of excellence. And many of you too are quite conversant with my activities when I was in school and even after. I remember some years ago when we had to rehabilitate by who reviewed the college. I had the opportunity to interact with many of you, and I know the role you played in ensuring that the complete facelift of the school. And since then, I have followed your activities. I'm also aware of the many things you have done to improve the standard of that school. We are very proud of you, and how you guys have been able to also excel in your different professions. Today, you have come to endorse my candidature for governor of Edo, not because you are partisan, but because you belong to my political party, or simply because you believe that only the best is good enough for Edo State. You I've read my agenda, and I want to assure you that everything that we have said there by the grace of God we will implement. It's a roadmap. It's a roadmap that we believe will make our state a lot better than it is right now. And, somebody who also carries the Edo College stamp, I assure you that I will not disappoint. I will do our very best to make our state a model for other states to follow. Thank you very much. And let me also thank many of you individually who are doing so much to support the campaign. I know they will not want me to mention their names, but there are very many of you who have taken this as a personal challenge. This morning somebody was asking me, Pastor, how do you fund your activities? I said it's unbelievable. Every day people come, people are printing posters, people are branding vehicles. If you look down there now, you see students bringing a vehicle and branding it, bringing t-shirts, bringing posters, bringing flyers, all contributed by them. So this campaign is being funded by two people. It's not just Pastor Ezeyamu, the two people are the ones funding this campaign. Every day they are coming with all kinds of souvenirs. Some are coming with cash, some are coming with their voices and their legs. But I'm very impressed and I'm very grateful. So I thank you and God bless you. Thank you very much.
Can we take a picture?
Yes.
No, I can't born again.
Why?
Because we Ghanaians, we are facing problem. If I want to born again, I have to ask my wife before I born again. For the last 2 years, we go and do that family planning. But we are planning about our family, so I can't born again.
No, I mean like you are born again. Born again.
I can't born again, please. I have 5 children. I should born again. Oh.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.